Title: Strategic Investments for Millennials' Financial Success. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Finantax Clips. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for all the millennials out there: how to strategically invest for financial success. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about why investing is so important. Millennials are often labeled as the struggling generation, burdened with student loans, high living costs, and uncertain job markets. But the good news is, with the right investment strategies, you can build substantial wealth over time. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Start with a solid foundation. Before jumping into investments, make sure you have a strong financial foundation. This includes emergency fund. Aim to save 3-6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will protect you from unexpected financial shocks. Pay down high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can erode your wealth-building efforts. Focus on paying this off as quickly as possible. Scene: host walks over to a small table with a laptop and some financial books. 2. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Spend time learning the basics of different investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, ETFs, and real estate. Some great resources include books: Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Websites and blogs: Investopedia, NerdWallet. Courses: online platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer courses on personal finance and investing. 3. Diversify your portfolio. One of the keys to successful investing is diversification. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Here are some options. Stocks: consider index funds or ETFs, which provide exposure to a wide range of companies. Bonds: these are less volatile than stocks and can provide steady income. Real estate: investing in property can be a great long-term investment. Look into REITs if you don't want to buy physical property. Cryptocurrency: while risky, allocating a small percentage of your portfolio to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum can add potential for high returns. Scene: host sits at a desk with a smartphone, showing an investment app. 4. Leverage technology. Millennials have a significant advantage with technology. Use it to your benefit. Investment apps. Platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, and Wealthfront make investing accessible and user-friendly. Robo-advisors: these automated platforms create and manage a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and goals. Transition: relaxing music and animated text. Long-term mindset. 5. Think long-term investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Adopt a long-term mindset. Stay consistent. Regularly invest a portion of your income. Dollar-cost averaging can help mitigate market volatility. Don't panic sell. Market fluctuations are normal. Stay calm and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. 6. Plan for retirement. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. Take advantage of employer-sponsored plans. If your employer offers a 401(k) match, contribute enough to get the full match. It's free money. IRAs. Consider opening a Roth IRA for tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. To recap, building a solid financial foundation, educating yourself, diversifying your portfolio, leveraging technology, thinking long-term, and planning for retirement are essential strategies for millennials' financial success. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay informed, stay patient, and stay committed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.